God.
You have a phobia, right?
Oh, okay. Okay.
You just have a fear that.
Okay. That was not that
Well,
bad.
rinse the bottom too. Turn
There's
it around.
two sides to them.
Flip it with your hand. Just keep holding it that way.
Flip it
Turn it over. Just turn your hand. Just turn your hand 180
like
degrees.
this, like this.
There you
There.
go.
I think my earbuds just hurt. Do you have hearing protection?
Well, now you can just watch
Huh?
it.
What?
Hearing protection?
I can't hear anything.
Exactly.
Alright, just grab it and put it in the pot. Same way you did it before. I think you killed it already.
Yeah, with your voice.
Okay. Like this.
Now, the easiest way to put him, because you know how he's spread out, is because he doesn't want to get in the pot. So if you try to put him in, go ahead, try to put him in the pot.
He doesn't want to go
No, flip
in.
him.
Yes, the easiest thing to do is just turn him around and throw him in there. Upside down.
Upside down.
Upside down.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Ah!
Okay, now put the pot on. Well, you better make it
Straighten him out.
Brenda's legs in.
That works too.
Okay.
Turn on the stove. And let's give this one 15 minutes. Now this guy is gonna start pushing up, so you have to watch him. Just make sure if there's any noise. No, that's not good. There's heat on this.
What if like, is it gonna break or lead?
No.
No.
Like moving?
No. Alright, so
I'm putting this on YouTube.
So we'll just say once the lobster's done, give it another 12 minutes.
12 minutes for that.
And then that's how you cook those guys in the simplest form.
Okay. I can do the lobster, I feel like.
See, the lobster was easy,
Yeah.
right? Shrimp is even harder. Shrimp, they like fidget really. They fidget more than the crab.
But it's just small. Shrimp is small. This one is so big.
I didn't realize you were a vegetarian.